Hello students, today we will learn about preposition of place with some examples. At first there is a verb. The kite is flying above. Here the preposition above shows a higher place. We can see the kite is flying high in the sky. The boy is running after the cat. Here the preposition after shows following other. We can see that the boy is following the cat. The telephone is by the window. Here the preposition by shows a place near or at the side of. The telephone is at the side of the window. She hid the letter beneath a pile of papers. Here the preposition beneath shows something is under anything else by touching. The cat is beside the thread. Here the preposition beside shows at the side of something. Means the cat is just next to or at the side of the thread. The chair is near the table. Here the preposition near shows a short distance. We can see that the chair is very near to the table. The boy is standing between two chairs. Here the preposition between shows in the middle of two objects. There are two chairs and in the middle there is a boy. The girl disappeared among the crowd. Here the preposition among shows in the middle or surrounded by anyone else. The girl is surrounded by lots of people. The mouse is in front of the box. Here the preposition in front shows farther forward than something. The mouse is in the forward side of the box. The dog is behind the table. Here the preposition behind shows towards the back. The dog is at the back side of the table. The toy shop is opposite the coffee shop. Here the preposition opposite shows facing someone or something but on the other side. The toy shop is facing the coffee shop. The boy is lying under the bed. Here the preposition under shows a lower level of covered thing but not touching. The boy is not touching the bed. She dived below the surface of water. Here the preposition below shows a lower place of something else. The girl is at the lower place of the water. She held the umbrella over her head. Here the preposition over shows covering something. The umbrella is covering the head of the girl. At. He is at work, he is at school, or he is at home. Here the preposition at represents a small place. These three places are small places. The book is on the table. Here the preposition on shows a position when the thing is touching the surface. We can see that the boy is touching the surface of the table. The dog is in the box. Here the preposition in is used when something is surrounded by all the sides. The box is surrounded from all the sides.